What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the 5 stocks I am planning to go ahead and buy in May. I'm very bullish on all 5 of these stocks. All of these stocks are actually going to be in my growth pie. I'm focused on adding more to my growth pie at this point. I've actually stopped allocating to my dividend stocks, which are in all these other pies. My goal is to really focus on growing this portfolio, investing in 10x stocks, and really developing a bigger position in those stocks. So right now, as far as my growth pie goes, it's allocated at 50% of my overall portfolio, but ultimately I'm going to go ahead and keep investing a bit more in this because I see a potential with these stocks to go ahead and 10x. Now, all these stocks I'm going to share with you guys that I'm investing in the month of May are going to be 10x stocks in my opinion. Now, as I do in every single video, we started this portfolio at $10,000 when I started sharing this portfolio on YouTube, and slowly I've been growing this portfolio every single week. I do like to go ahead and dollar cost average into the portfolio, so I do invest anywhere between $250 up to $1,000 every single week, and then I like to go ahead and just see this portfolio grow over time. Now, as far as the market goes, the market was kind to us. It was up in the last day here, so the portfolio is sitting at all-time new highs. Pretty excited to share that with you guys because this is the highest the portfolio's ever been, and we're sitting at $121,095. The total gains just on the last day were $1,429 or 1.19%. Now, in the last week, the portfolio is up 1.21% or $1,442. In the last month, we are looking pretty here. The portfolio is up about 9% or $9,733. In the last quarter, we are still down, and we're down about 3% or $3,363. And then all time, guys, if we look at this portfolio, I started this around April of last year. So in the last 1 year, we are up 22.74% or $13,995. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the gains in the portfolio. But during this coming month, the stocks that I am going to be investing in, we're just going to jump right into it. And just as a heads up, guys, if you want to see all the different stocks that I have in here, I like to be fully transparent. I do have a link in the description if you want to go ahead and see every single stock that I have, or if you're interested in investing with them on finance, I have a link where you do get $30 as a limited time offer as well. But I'll leave a link down below. You can actually see all the different stocks that I currently own. But if we go ahead and jump into the first stock is actually going to be Tesla. Now, Tesla just recently had their earnings call, and they are basically on track to go ahead and have the best year so far as the revenues goes, and as far as their bottom line numbers go. Tesla had over $400 million in net revenue, which is awesome. This is the highest that they've ever had. Obviously, the market is still very hesitant with this stock, but I do believe that this is easily a 10x stock. This is actually one of the largest holdings that I do currently have in this portfolio. The current value in Tesla in my current portfolio is sitting at about $19,561. I am looking to grow this position to about $25,000, so I am going to be investing pretty heavily in Tesla. Now, obviously, guys, there's a lot of projects that Tesla has been working on. They are focused on improving their solar roofs. They're focused on improving their solar panels. Recently, Elon had tweeted that they are going to be selling the Powerwall with every single purchase of solar roofs or solar panels. And of course, we know that Tesla has their Model S, their Model 3, their Model Y, and they have a lot of other cars that are currently in the pipeline as well, with the Cybertruck, with the semi-truck that's supposed to be coming out later this year, with the Roadster, and they're secretly working on the $25,000 car as well. So there's a lot of different things that Tesla's really focused on just introducing to the market, and because they are the industry leader when it comes down to electric cars, I do believe with Tesla's full self-driving, with robotaxis, hopefully in the next couple of years here, this company is just going to elevate to the next level. So very, very bullish on this company. Now let's go ahead and jump into the next stock, guys. The next stock that I am actually investing in, but I'm currently down in, but I started investing in this one at their IPO. This is going to be with Coinbase. Now I'm down about 4.77% or $109 in this company. My current value is $2,948, and my overall average cost in this company is about $315 a share, and I have roughly around 10 shares at this point. This is a company that I'm a huge believer in. I do invest with Coinbase. I like their platform and how simple and easy it is to use. Coinbase is the easiest platform for any beginner to go ahead and start investing in cryptocurrency with. This is the platform I started with. They do have a lot of different cryptocurrencies that you can actually invest with them on, but they're actually going to be introducing more cryptocurrencies. Right now, they have about 100 cryptocurrencies that you can invest with Coinbase, but I do believe as this company grows, they're going to go ahead and add more cryptocurrencies, which is going to go ahead and bring more users. Plus, as they go ahead and release new features like lending, like interest on Bitcoin or Ethereum or some of the other cryptocurrencies, more people are going to go ahead, jump on to Coinbase. And the reason why I really like this company is because when it comes down to cryptocurrency, security is the number one thing that I believe people focus on, and just the overall usage of the platform. With Coinbase, their platform is one of the easiest platforms to go ahead and use. And as far as the protection and the security of this platform, they are the most trusted cryptocurrency trading platform out there. And I can tell you guys, just from using them over the last year, this is the most secure platform in my opinion. So I'm very, very bullish on this company, and I do believe that this company still has a long ways to go. So I'm going to go ahead and keep adding to my position. I want to go ahead and grow this position to at least over $5,000 before the end of May. So I'm going to go pretty heavily on Coinbase. Now, jumping into the next one, this is going to be another company that's really focused on innovating another industry, and that's going to be with Roblox. Now Roblox, I'm up about 4.28% or $121. The current value I have is $3,319 in this company. I do like Roblox. I like their platform. I like what this company stands for. This company is really focused on changing how we play video games. They're focused on reinventing the wheel when it comes down to having a great experience, creating your own video games, having a platform to go ahead and create video games and to go ahead and play video games. So this is like a peer-to-peer type of platform where, just like YouTube, you come for the content, where Roblox is trying to make a platform where you come for entertainment and you go ahead and come to play games. But they're getting more and more users because with this platform, the users are the ones that go ahead and create the different games that this platform goes ahead and offers. So I'm very bullish on Roblox, and I believe this company still has a long ways to go ahead and grow, but with their brand recognition and with all the things that they're doing, they still have a long ways to go ahead and grow. So with my position, I do want to go ahead and grow this position as well to over $5,000. So I'm going to be investing pretty heavily in Roblox as well. Now, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the next one. The next one is a company that actually was in the news and not for the best reasons, but that's going to be with Peloton. Peloton is a position that I've had in my portfolio for a while. Unfortunately, I'm down about $1,000 in this company right now, or about 27.93%, and Peloton's current value in this portfolio is sitting at $4,260. Now, recently, why Peloton went down is because they were in the news because their treadmill, unfortunately someone had an accident. So with the Tread Plus, I do believe that Peloton is going to go ahead and make some adjustments to their treadmill and go ahead and reintroduce a newer version of the treadmill to go ahead and make it a bit more safer. But at the end of the day, their core product is really their bike. Now with Peloton, I've been using their app for a little over a year now. I would say about 2.5 years, and I personally love going on their app and using their app because it just keeps me motivated. And even every time I go ahead and stop using it for a couple weeks, I want to go ahead and check back and see what new classes they have to offer. Plus, their classes are just a lot more motivational if you go ahead and compare them to some of their peers. So I do really like the ecosystem with Peloton. I like everything that they're doing around the fitness industry and how they're really focused on bringing out new products, having more and more people work from home, which is going to go ahead and just add on to their position. Plus, guys, Peloton recently did go ahead and acquire Precor, which is a strength workout company. And with their acquisition of Precor, I do believe Peloton's going to go ahead and start introducing products in the strength area as well. So very bullish on the stock. I am going to go ahead and be investing in the stock because I do see a long potential to go ahead and go, and I want to go ahead and get into the positive with the stock. So my goal is to go ahead and invest at least $1,000, if not a bit more than that, into the stock as well. And now the fifth stock here is going to be a stock that I'm sure everybody's heard of. and everybody has some connection too, and that's going to be with Disney. Disney is a stock that I have been investing in for over a year now. I'm up 56.80% or $553, with my current value sitting at $3,609. Now, with Disney, they recently did announce that they went ahead and did a licensing deal with Sony to go ahead and have Spider-Man on Disney Plus for people to go ahead and watch. With Disney has many different ways that they go ahead and make money, but one of the ways that's a hidden gem here is going to be with Disney Plus, because Disney has so many different characters that they can go ahead and make new series around or new movies around, and as they want to go ahead and release the movies in theaters at the same time, they can go ahead and release them on Disney Plus and get more subscribers. I do believe in the next, I would say, 1 to 5 years, Disney Plus is going to go ahead and overtake Netflix as the #1 streaming company in the US, and I'm very, very bullish on this company. So I'm very excited for Disney. Plus, guys, with Disney, their theme parks just recently opened, but because of COVID restrictions, they're not even at full capacity. The cruise lines are still closed, so a lot of their business has still been impacted, but the stock still keeps on climbing up. So again, very bullish on this company. This is a company that I'm actually going to be investing pretty heavily into. I do want to go ahead and grow this position to over $5,000 because I see a long-term potential, and hopefully they'll go ahead and bring back their dividends eventually here as well. So all these stocks I'm very bullish on, and these are stocks that I do believe have 10x potential in the next 5 years. The goal with every single one of these stocks I'm investing in is I do want my money to go ahead and work harder for me and to go ahead and multiply quicker. So that's why I chose these stocks, because these are the ones I'm very, very bullish on for that 10x type of return. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is basically going to be a wrap, guys. These are going to be the 5 stocks I'm buying throughout the month of May. If you found any value into this, and if you want to keep up with the journey and see week to week where this portfolio goes ahead and goes, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below, and don't forget to smash that like button, as it really does help me stay motivated to keep producing more content like this and share with you guys and be fully transparent around all my moves. I am focused on getting this portfolio up to $1 million. If you're on this investing journey with me, focus on dollar cost averaging, focus on investing every single week, whatever amount that may be, and I will tell you guys, you'll definitely get there. I started off with $1,000, then eventually got to $10,000, then eventually got to $100,000. I'll leave it there. I'll see you guys at the next one.